Commentary on installation of F150 infrared thermal imager. 1. Product and tools. Prepare the product and installation tools, including infrared thermal imager, support, bolts and nuts, disassembling tools and pedal. 2. Opens engine hood. First, open the left front door. Second, bolts engine hood switch. Third, opens engine hood. 3. Removes envelopment. Remove the large envelopment under the front bumper. 8 screws and 2 bolts. 4. Fix the product support. Fix the special support on each side of infrared thermal imager, and gently lock the screws with 8 M4 bolts. 5. Install the product. Install the well-fixed product and support at the rear of the bumper and fasten them with 10 M6 bolts. 6. Product cabling. Arrange the wear of the host cable along the original car cable into the cockpit. Then start wearing along the left side fender of the infrared host cable. Finally, remove the central control panel, the host and storage compartment, to introduce the cable from the primary cockpit into the secondary cockpit. Seven. Connect the decoder. Dock the infrared host cable with a switching cable and balance the decoder with insulating tape to prevent it from falling off. Connect the decoding box video 1 channel via the yellow video switching cable to dial the dial switches 1, 4 and 5 downwards, and reconnect the power after stopping the electricity. Eight. Connect the power. Remove the decorating cover plate and the secondary cockpit. Then dock the positive electrode of the switching cable with the 15A fuse in the fuse box left bottom, and the negative electrode with original car earthware. 9. Recover and debug. Start the power switch of the original car. Long press voice key for switch to switch into the infrared interface. Then adjust the pitch angle of the infrared host and fix it with bolts. Finally, restore the disassembled original parts into its original position and fix them.